People like you sleep in bed safe at nights because of people like me. Up until the point of the IED, I really hadn't suffered any personal injury. Probably have a life of mayhem. I felt unbreakable until the point of being injured quite severely, yeah. Straight away my brain told us to get up, get on my feet, get up. And that's when I realised that this was for real. I couldn't move my toes.
You guys get the bleeding stopped?
We need a doc up here. If you can get one here, we need a doc here now.
Paralysed, yeah. Broken back, yeah. At the time, never for 1 second thought that I wasn't disabled, because I knew this was serious. I never had any feelings in my legs, my toes, nothing.
I got you, brother. I got you, brother. I got you. I got you, brother.
When I came back from Iraq after my injuries, after the IED in 2007, it was always a case of me trying to repair the body and get back to fitness. Physically, I managed to do that, not realising I'd brought back a whole different kind of injury. It was undisclosed to me at the time, but I never realised I was suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder.
I don't like calling it PTSD because I haven't got a disorder. I've never had a disorder. I have an illness that was created in combat, and it nearly killed me, and it nearly killed my whole family around me.
Part of my depression at the time, post-traumatic stress, when it was explained to me, consisted of why was I here? Why did I survive when I lost close friends like Morley, Eves, Alan? And then you go through these names and run them through times and places, and you say to yourself, why me? And why me? Why am I still here? Why? Why?
It's just a crazy illness and nobody understands it. You go to your doctor and they're going to say you've got depression, take this drug, take that drug. It's not the answer. It's a patch on a job that's not going to be fixed.
I decided to help the weak, the broken-minded. The guys with the scars would just need that bit of help to be brought back into society and back into work. After a life of mayhem, I finally found peace in helping others.
This is Warrior Ranch. We're currently in the process of turning it into an equine rehabilitation centre for soldiers with PTSD and trauma, using the power of horses to lead the way to recovery. If everybody just helped everybody else out, it'd be a much better world, but that's not the world we live in. And what I'm doing here, it should be government doing this. It should be government looking after our guys, but you're not. You're just not. So people like me are stepping in to take up this slack. There's always been wars and combats, and there's always been people that have enjoyed the comfort that these soldiers have fucking given you. Your freedom is held up by the bodies of dead soldiers. The reason why you can sit in your house and watch TV, the reason why you can go and protest on the street against our government, against their troops, is because a dead soldier's given you that right. And you need to appreciate that. We don't do that in Britain. We don't respect a veteran. I was lucky because I worked for the American government and they truly did look after me when I got injured. If I was a British veteran, I would be sitting in a high-rise building right now with nothing, because that's what you get as a British veteran. You get nothing.